There are certain traits that any great entertainer needs to possess, and these traits are evident in both skill set and personality. They're those show-stopping must-haves that truly help the entertainer stand out from the crowd and advance along the way. Here are some talent tips for entertainers that are sure to wow industry insiders. First, it's important to project confidence. This is one of those talent tips for entertainers that allows a person to light up the room and differentiate from the competition. Being confident in whatever aspect of one's career is on display helps those watching believe in the entertainer's abilities. This is because being confident means the entertainer believes in his or her own abilities, and this is contagious. Other closely related talent tips for entertainers include being original, creative, and enthusiastic. The latter demands a certain level of resilience that allows the entertainer to persevere and stay motivated to continue standing out despite any rejection along the way. There are often a ton of no's before a person hears a yes, and the best entertainers understand that they need to keep pushing forward, showcasing their unique abilities even though not everyone will appreciate these qualities. Having the confidence to stay original and be creative with the craft is key. Another one of those talent tips for entertainers that comes along with resilience is adaptability. Those who are successful are able to roll with the punches and have an innate understanding of which direction they need to head in next. They can pick themselves up by their coat strings and modify their delivery and approach as needed to give an audience what it demands. Entertainers who have the long-standing careers have likely taken on a wide variety of roles in order to keep making money. It's simply not possible to try out for the same role as one does in their teens as it is in middle age. Adaptability helps the entertainer survive as their career evolves. Often overlooked talent tips for entertainers include taking risks and having fun. Entertaining is an art, and art is not static. It demands innovative, out-of-the-box thinking that keeps audiences on their toes. This doesn't mean that every risk will be met with a favorable reward, but if the risk isn't taken at all, the entertainer will never know. The best entertainers don't see this part of the job as stressful, but rather they have fun trying to get a rise out of others. If a performance doesn't move those watching it, it's simply boring and forgettable, and these are two things that no entertainer ever wants to be. Following these talent tips for entertainers will help an artist stay in demand as the years pass. It is possible to have a long and prosperous career in this demanding field as long as the entertainer stays determined to forge ahead and doesn't give up if they deliver a less than desirable performance. It's all about not being afraid to make waves and giving each opportunity to do so 100%. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.